Students, today I am going to present a lecture on concept air pollution. So, before starting the concept of air pollution, you have to know a simple definition of air, right? So, what is air? Air is a mixture of gases that makes up the earth atmosphere, correct? We are having so many gases that is present in our air, right? It may be nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon, argon, and other traces of gases, right? We are having so many gases. That's why we can say air as a mixture of gases, right? So, air pollution. So, what is air pollution? Air pollution, in simple way, you can define it as undesirable change in our air is known as air pollution, right? So, otherwise, you can also define it as physical, biological, or chemical alteration to the air in the atmosphere is called air pollution. Alteration means change. Change in physical, biological, or chemical nature of air is known as air pollution. So there is one organization, that is WHO. WHO means what? World Health Organization, right? So World Health Organization has defined air pollution as the presence of material in the air in such concentration which are harmful to man and his environment. So, World Health Organization defined air pollution as the presence of material in the air in such concentration which are harmful to man and his environment. So, which material they are saying about? This material is known as air pollutant. Right. So, what is air pollutants? Air pollutants are the substance that contaminate air is known as air pollutants. Most common air pollutants are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of sulfur, photochemical oxidants, hydrocarbons, particulate matter, aerosols, radioactive substance, fluorides, right? These are the most common air pollutant. So the first one is carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is produced due to combustion, right? Combustion is nothing but burning. Burning of fossil fuels can also release carbon dioxide. Then, so another one is carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide considered as a most poisonous gas. So, which is produced by incomplete combustion. By incomplete combustion, there is a vast release of carbon monoxide in the atmosphere. So, another one is oxides of nitrogen. Oxides of nitrogen means nitrogen oxides, nitrogen dioxides. Right? How these nitrogen oxide and nitrogen dioxide are released? So, they are released by automobiles and industries. Right? Another one is oxides of sulfur. Oxides of sulfur is nothing but sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, right? These are oxides of sulfur. How these oxides of sulfur produced? These oxides of sulfur produced by burning coal and fossil fuels. We can get sulfur oxides. Then, so another one is photochemical oxidants. Photochemical oxidants, how they are formed? Photochemical oxidants are formed by photochemical reaction, right? So another one is hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, how these are formed or these are emitted? These are emitted by unburned discharges from incomplete combustion of fuel in automobiles. So if the fuel is incompletely combusted, then there is a release of large amount of hydrocarbons in our atmosphere. Another one is particulate matter. Particulate matter releases from industries and automobiles. So it may be fine solid particles or it may be liquid particles. These are known as particulate matter. So for example, fly ash and soot, metal dust, cotton dust, pesticides sprayed on crops, these are considered as particulate matter. Another one is aerosols. So aerosols are chemicals which are released in the air in vapor form. These include fluorocarbons. Nothing but fluorocarbons means what? Carbon compound having fluorine, right? So aerosols are chemicals which are released in the air in vapor form. These include fluorocarbons. Then another one is radioactive substances. Radioactive substances are released by nuclear explosions and explosives, right? So another one is fluorides. Fluorides are chemical compounds which contain fluorine, right? So these are fluorides. These are most common air pollutant which cause air pollution. Then what are air pollutants? Air pollutants are substance which cause air pollution, right? The next one is causes of air pollution. The first causes of air pollution is burning of fossil fuels. You already know that burning of fossil fuels release large amount of carbon containing compounds to our atmosphere. It may be carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide or other hydrocarbons. Right? These serves as major source of air pollution. Another one is automobiles. So these automobile exhaust emit large amount of hydrocarbons. These hydrocarbons influence air pollution. Right? So another one is agricultural activities. So in modern agricultural activities, we are using chemical fertilizers fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides, right? So these pesticides, insecticides and chemical fertilizers contain large amount of carbon content in it and also methane content. So these compounds automatically pollute our air. So another one is factories and industries. So the exhaust or particulate matter which are released from factories and industries are very harmful to our environment. These pollute large amount of air which is present in our environment. So another one is mining activities and domestic activities. So these mining activities and domestic activities also influences our air pollution. Another one is effects of air pollution. Air pollution cause greenhouse effect. The another one is rise in atmospheric temperature may melt the polar ice resulting in flood. Why this is happening? This is happening due to global warming. Global warming is nothing but increase in average temperature of our earth surface, right? So the another one is it cause various types of diseases. So this air pollution cause various types of diseases. It may be respiratory disease or skin related diseases. So the major point is it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of our body. At the end, it also causes death of several organisms. Then, so the beauty of monuments, buildings and sculptures are spoiled by air pollution. You have heard that our Taj Mahal has losing its beauty, right? So why the Taj Mahal is losing its beauty? Because of this air pollution. So the Taj Mahal has suffering from a major disease, that is marble cancer. This marble cancer is nothing but yellowing of marble. So this is caused due to air. So the another one is air pollution majorly affects on global climate change. Whatever the climate change is happening, it is due to air pollution, right? These are the effects of air pollution on our environment, right? So the next one is controlling measures of air pollution. We are having certain controlling measures of air pollution. The first one is biomonitoring. So biomonitoring is nothing but here plants are used to monitor air pollution. So there are certain plants which can monitor air pollution, or it also indicates which area is suffering from highest range of air pollution. There are such plants, for examples, lichens, tobacco, moss, lettuce, orchids, marigold, cucumber, peach. These are also called as indicators of what? Indicators of air pollution. So another one is using unleaded fuels. We have to use unleaded fuels for our household purposes or transportation. We have to use public transport instead of private transports, right? These reduce the concentration of pollutants in our environment. Then so the another one is we have to ensure that houses, playgrounds, restaurants are not located near busy streets. Then so another one is afforestation. We have to plant more trees. These trees release oxygen in our atmosphere, and also it decreases the carbon containing components in our atmosphere. Then so another one is industrial and waste disposal sites should be situated outside the city. Another one is we have to use some machines which control the emission of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Then so another one is emission rates of pollutants should be restricted to every industries. We have to adopt strict laws, rules, regulations in restricting the emission rates of industries. Then so another one is we have to incorporate air pollution control equipments such as scrubbers, electrostatic precipitators, bag houses, wet scrubbers, right? This may help in reducing the range of air pollution in our atmosphere. Another one is proper disposal of air pollution. We have to dispose air pollutants properly. Then so another one is we have to continuously monitor our atmosphere. Another one is we have to reduce mining activities, right? So these mining activities also influences air pollution. That's why we have to reduce mining activities. Then we have to conserve energy. So these are the controlling measures of air pollution.